Hello and good morning. Today I want to give you a quick presentation about the newest improvement of our EAM Flex Calendar Plus. With this new feature you can visualize Maximo work orders in Outlook or any other calendar tool which is able to subscribe to internet calendars. My name is Johann Rumpel and I'm Chief Innovation Officer and CEO at EAM Swiss. With this quick introduction, let's get started. Our first step will be the generation of a calendar link in Maximo. For that, we are signing in into Maximo. We open the default information dialog. Here we provide login information for the specific user we want to work with. We select an application. Let's take route track. A predefined query. Let's do it with all work orders, and then you click on the generate Outlook calendar link. This function is creating a unique calendar link for the settings provided above, and this link can be now copied to the clipboard. Close the dialog, log out. In the previous step, we have created a calendar link and copied it to the clipboard. Now it's time to switch over to Outlook and to subscribe to the calendar information. So we go to Outlook and go to the account settings. Here we open the Internet Calendars tab and click the New button. In this field we paste the URL created before and click the Add button. Provide a nice name. And click the OK button. Close the dialog and go to the calendars view, other calendars, and select your new added internet calendar to be shown. And now you can see the Maximo work orders pulled from the Maximo system where you have created the calendar link from. Recently, we have subscribed to a work order calendar showing work orders for a specific user and a specific query. Now let's take a look which information is displayed in Outlook by default. On the top of the calendar appointment, we see the work type as a category tag. In the title, we show the Maximo work order number as well as the Maximo work order description. The start and the end time will be set like this. If scheduling information is provided, our add-on takes it from there. If no scheduling information is available, but a target start and or a target end date is provided, the start and the end date in Outlook will be set to these dates. If none of the Maximo date fields mentioned do have a value, the work order will not be shown. In the location of the Outlook appointment, you will find the location of Maximo provided as the location ID and the description. And in the details section, we have at least a link to jump into Maximo back, where we can easily go to the appropriate work order. We change some dates and save the record again. Log out and go back to Outlook. Usually, Outlook is updating the calendar information from time to time. To do that manually, we simply go to the Send and the Receive tab in Outlook, and let's try the Update Folder button. And as you can see, the work order we have changed has now been updated, and the start time has been set to 8 instead of 9 o'clock. With that, I'm at the end of the presentation, and I hope you will find our new add-on interesting, and talk to you soon.